Hi, wanna know how to enable and use voice typing on your Realme 12x? So firstly, let's talk about what is a voice typing. So this is feature which can make the typing process much easier because you can just enable it, say everything that you would like to type on your phone, and your voice will be automatically translated into a text. So let me show you how to enable and use it. Firstly, we would need to open any app where you are able to type. So for example, I'll take the Google browser. Here, we would need to click on this search bar where our keyboard will open. And then we would need to take a close look on our keyboard and find here this microphone icon, which is the voice typing. So we would need to click on it and then allow the keyboard to record audio. So here we choose while using the app. And now we can try it once more by clicking on the search bar. And as you can see, starting from now, my voice is being translated into a text. And you can see how fast it is happening. I'm saying the word and almost immediately it's appearing on the screen right here and you can see it. Now when you are done talking, you can just click on this microphone icon once more and the voice typing will stop. So now let's test it once more. For example, I would like to search up a pasta recipe. So I'll click on it, pasta recipe. Now click on it once more, now delete the word now and click this icon to search. And you can see that voice typing is much faster than typing with the help of the basic keyboard. Here we can see all of the pasta recipes that are available on the Google browser. And now you know how to use the voice typing. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.